Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again, here with method number 4 on solving quadratic equations, factoring them out in a different way. So here I like to call it instant factoring based on, last time we talked about the quadratic formula. So now instant factoring is a different approach, which I like to call it instant factoring, IF, because of the speed that it portrays. All right, so let's see how it works. So number one, first you need to identify the A, the B, and the C. So the A's are A here, B here, and C here. A is 1, B is -4, and C is -5. Okay? First step, A times C. So your A times C is 1 times -5, which is equal to -5. Okay? Your B is simply -4. So now you need a number that you multiply gives you -5, but when you add it gives you -4. So the two numbers I'm thinking about is 5 and 1. But to get -5, one of these has to be negative when you multiply. But it also, when you add them, it ends up having a -4. So that has to mean that the -5, which has a high absolute value, gives that sign. So we have that one. -5 and 1. Okay? So, but we're not done yet. After that, the next thing you need to do is you need to flip the signs, flip signs of each. So that means that if it was -5, now it's +5. And if it was +1, it's now -1. Okay? Step 3. We're going to take these, you're going to take +5 and -1 and divide them by A. Divide by A. And A was what? 1. So that means that +5 divided by 1 would just be +5 again. -1 divided by -1. -1 divided by 1 is just -1 again. And that's it. This are these are our x. So x is either +5 or -1. And these are the same answers from before. All four methods gave you the same answer. And that's how you do it. With practice, you see yourself running through these one really well. Even for bigger ones, bigger numbers, bigger trinomial numbers that you see, this is really good as well. Okay? And then when you're dealing with real life numbers like time, seconds, then I recommend keeping the positive number and rejecting the negative number, because time, you don't have negative time. And if you're dealing with length, you don't deal with negative feet or negative inches. You deal with the positive ones. Okay? That's it for this method, number 4. This is Mr. Frederick out.